Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was thinking that maybe I can do a painting, or I can do actually something that person can use with the painting on it. So the idea was born to take a notebook and then create a painting on top of it. Fluid painting. So as you can see, I have an empty, beautiful black notebook, which I now gonna cover with the painting tape. We'll take it from there. Ta-da! And because we all know that when we do fluid acrylic paintings, the paint goes literally anywhere. I'm thinking that I will cover the other side of the book with a kind of protective film. Basically, it will not go inside. Just going for the inspirations on Pinterest, and here's what I found. Um, so you can see that this is actually very nice set of colors. So we'll just try to use those. Probably instead of this light green, I will use white. So let me find those colors and we'll start mixing. So what is the very common thing we know about artists is that they change their mind too damn frequently. And this is exactly what happened with me. I'm still going with the color palette that I chose. But if you remember, there was two light green colors, and I decided that because we have a fluid painting, we don't need two similar colors, because we will have white and we will have this lime green. So we will just skip one paint color. So we'll keep this lime green. Then we will have pink and purple. Now we will add white color. To make it a bit lighter. So the medium that we are going to use today is actually going to be a school blue, because it's not a canvas and kind of shiny color. I actually want paint to stick to the cover, so school blue is what we're going to use today. Again, I'm doing this for the first time, so I don't know if it's gonna actually work or not. Just an experiment. We will see. Okay, so the portion is 50% paint, 50% glue, and then because the paint and glue are actually very not really runny consistency, we will add just a bit of the water. We're also going to add a silicone only to the colors. So, ta-da! we will do flip cup, so let me use that. So on top I want white, so as a result I will put white at the bottom. Here are our colors. And I usually really like to mix the colors with just one gentle stroke. This is exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take and just move it once. So now we're gonna flip the cup. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Yeah, that was definitely too much paint for this book. Any paint that is dripping, I'm just gonna reuse it for the next book. I will use torch just a bit on some areas, so cells will pop up. Ooh. Ooh. So as you can see, because the paint thickness was, I guess, too thick over here, the paint actually cracked and we have those purple lines underneath. So I was thinking what are the possible ways to fix those cracks, and I came up with the idea to cover them with glitter. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be using quick dry tacky glue, and I will just cover those cracks and we'll spread the glitter on it, and we will see how it's gonna work. Maybe it will not work, maybe it will. Let's see.